Screen is visible to everyone. Next topic is the client server testing. So basically it is concerned with the testing the to protect and prevent the particular error regarding to the client server applications or the software system. So basically this type of testing which is applied for the two tier applications. So basically we can apply on the front end and back end of the particular system. So in that case we consider the client side and the server side. So this is considered as a two tier. First one is a client, means the front end of the particular system, and this is the front end, and this is the back end of the server is the back end of the any system or the application. So basically, whenever the client is requested to the server, according to the request sanction or the grant the particular request, the server can respond to that client. Depends on the requirement or the request. So basically, in the client server application, the front end are developed in the different programming language like VB, Java, .NET, etc. And the backend are the developed with the help of different database system. For example, MS SQL, Oracle, MS Access. Every type of database we have to connect to the backend to store the contents regarding to your application. For example, if we request the particular query to the server can access that query and store in the database, and after that he process the content or he process the query, and according to the validity of the query he respond to that particular client. So basically the testing of the client server architecture is very difficult because of the n number of reason is there. First one is the if we consider the need of servicing the multiple client, means in the client server application we can responsible for the every client which is connected with that particular server. So we can serving the n number of clients in the client server, so we can apply the testing for every client. So it is quite difficult. Next one, the database accessed by the multiple clients and their transition process. So in that case, we can also, it is the parameter quite difficult when we connect the database to that particular different number of clients. Then it is the distributed system. Next one, the performance issue of the different hardware platform, because every client having the different platform. So we can apply the testing or we can check the testing process on every environment according to the client side. So the complexity of the communication network is also high. There is a number of features for the client server application. The client and server work in the connected mode, because whenever we can use the client server network, it is the combination or the connection between the client and server is there. So according to the request is transmitted from the different channel to the particular server side. Server can fetch or server can access that request. After accessing process that request, if the request is valid, then he transmit the content. But if it is request is not valid, he displays some message to the client system. Next one, it has a less number of network issue when we can compare the web application, because in web application there is a unlimited person can access, but in the client server network there is only a specific number or the particular specified number of system can connected to that particular client server depending on the end user requirement. There is a limited number of users for his application. Next one, the application is menu driven, because there is a hierarchy is maintained, means there is a the set of instruction is already mentioned. So with the help of this, we can easily consider the particular application. So there is a type of testing which is conducted for the client server application. First, we have to discuss about the basic architecture of the client server. testing. In that case, there is a n number of parameter. For example, we require the test execution environment for testing the client server application. Then we can server in the test center, means we have to consider the test application. Next one is the database, which is connected to that server. With the help of internet, we have to access the server functionality. Depending on the user's requirement, there is a n number of client, and the client is connected with the particular system. For example, we can consider it is a Unix system. With the help of file transfer protocol, we have to transmit the request through the internet to that particular server, and according to the server, we can access that request. After fetching the request from the server, we can easily access the particular request according to the end user. So this is the basic layout of the client server application, and we can check each and every parameter regarding to that communication occur in the particular client server application. So basically the different type of test parameter we have to conduct it for the client server application. First one is the functional test, application function test. Application function. So basically it is the function to that particular application we have to test it with the help of different type of testing. Then in that case we again test the server. The coordination and the data management activity are tested in the server testing, means how to coordinate with the client side throughout the network. We have to test that parameter, and how to manage the activity of the communication. All these parameter we have to test it in the server testing. Third one is the database test and transaction test. Means the integrity of the data store and performance of the transition processing are tested. Means the response time for the request and the response time of the particular query we have to test it. So with the help of this, we can easily test the database. Means how much time is required to grant the particular request of the client. We have to take the particular time. Next one is the network communication test. So basically the network communication along the various nodes, which performance and the network security we have to test it. Means how the secure the network are. All these parameter we have to test it in the client server. Means whenever we have to transmit the data from client to server, there is the security parameter is there available or not. For example, if we conduct the application of the Facebook, if we log in the particular account, whenever we enter the password is transmitted through the network to that particular server. At the end of the client side, the password is the changes to the ciphertext. Means we have to apply the encryption process on the particular password, and after that those encrypted data is transmitted to the server, and after that they compare with that database content. This is the security parameter. So with the help of network communication, we have to check the security parameter regarding to the client and server. So this is the basic concept of the client server application. So basically in the client server testing, there is a several client communication with the server parameter. So multiple user can access the system at a time, and they can communicate with the server. Then the configuration of the client is known to the server with the particular certainty. Then this client server are connected by the real-time communication or the real-time connection. Next, the testing approach of the client server testing we have to consider. Means the component we have to test. Then after that we have to take the integration testing. Then we have to apply the performance testing on the client server, because we can check the performance of the system depending on the user's request. This is the basic concept of the client server testing.